Hi friends, today I will do a comparison of Poco F4 versus Redmi K50i. So let's take a detailed look of in-hand feel. Let's see the detail of display of Poco F4 versus Redmi K50i. Let's see the detailed comparison of camera. Let's start with Poco F4. Its primary camera have 64 megapixel aperture 1.8, ultra wide 8 megapixel aperture 2.2 और micro camera of 2 megapixel aperture 2.4 और STR LED flash. Let's talk Redmi K50i camera. It's also have a triple camera slot and its primary camera have 64 megapixel aperture 1.8, ultra wide 8 megapixel aperture 2.2 और micro camera of 2 megapixel aperture 2.4. Let's discuss both the phone price. Poco F4 come around $28,000 of $350 of 6GB RAM or 128GB internal storage और Redmi K50i come around $26,000 of $325 of 6GB RAM or 128GB internal storage. Let's come on result. Poco F4 versus Redmi K50i. Design wise both the phone have good looking design, display are same, camera is also same on the both the phone. There is a better hardware on K50i, connectivity are same, charging are same and better price available on Redmi K50i. So thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.